guys, welcome back. So today we've got a leak in this area right here, transition between the slope roof and the flat roof, and we're trying to seal this seam right here before we do a complete coverage with a elastomer or siliconized base coat. But before that, these larger crevices, we're using this product right here that my dad got from the hardware store, and it is incredible. It is perfect. The viscosity and consistency is slightly thicker than that of paint, but it just coats really, really well, and I'm just so impressed with this product. I figure I'd do a short snippet of video on it. As you can see, it's thick enough where it won't run when you put it into the crevice, but smooth enough and paint-like where you can kind of brush it on with a paintbrush. Anyway, I hope this goes out and helps someone in the future fighting entropy, maintaining their home. Alright, see you soon. Bye.